I guess one tap Horizon's one tapped. I knocked Horizon. But no.
They're in the Revenant ult.
Run, 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 run.
People right here.
I don't know why that guy's peeking a charge rifle. Teammate's kind of silly. That's the last team there. That's the last team right there.
No! I could have self-resed, but... They're resing their teammate.
Yeah.
Resing.
It's all good. All good. We'll be fine.
They were about to hunt.
Push.
I don't know who's doing.
I'm letting them go first. It's still down.
Heal, heal, heal. One of them has a red shoe. Not her.
Where? Oh my gosh!
Nice.
Holy shit!
Holy
Holy shit!